Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well and safe. Before I start, I want to give myself a pat on the shoulder or on the back for taking 3 consecutive videos in a row. I haven't done that in a while. First of all, filming a video, especially a makeup review or a sit-down video, takes a while. This video is going to be a Sephora haul. So this is going to be exciting. I haven't done a Sephora haul in a while. I have 2 boxes here. The other one is going to be a bigger box. So I think we're going to start first with the smaller box. We're going to start with the freebies first. I got the Sephora, was it waterproof eye makeup remover. I think this is the second time I got this one. And then this is the Sephora Ultra Glow Serum. I really love sample sizes of skincare. I feel like it's a great opportunity for everyone to try out their products without having to buy the full size yet. So I love these. I think I've tried this once and it's so effective for removing waterproof mascara, waterproof makeup. I'm not really sure how much the full size is, but you know, most of the products from Sephora are on the pricey side, but they're still affordable as compared to other brands. The next one that I have here, there's not a lot inside this box, so this box is going to be really quick. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Rouge Olivres Satin. I'm sorry if I'm reading that wrong, and I'm sure I am. But yeah, that is again, this is the Satin Rouge Olivres Satin. This is in the shade Rose Dream. Here you go, Rose Dream. I am so in love with the formula of this. This is how the bullet looks like. The packaging just reminds me so much of those vintage makeup products. So there is that. I absolutely love the shade. This is like a nude pink. I wish I can try it for you guys right now, but I'm gonna save it for a different video. But ABH lipsticks are so nice. They're very moisturizing and there's something different about the high-end lipsticks. It feels long-lasting, but at the same time it moisturizes your lips. So it's really hard to explain. You're gonna have to wear it so you'll know what I mean. But that is the shade Rose Dream. I love this. It looks light here, but once it's on my lips, it's just a perfect nudie pink for me. And then the last one in this box is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. This one has 14 shades. This is one of the most famous eyeshadow palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. But as you can see, this one is very clean. I think I just used this once or twice. This is another one that gives you that luxurious modern Renaissance feel. They gave you this vintage feel, like Renaissance time, so that really means a lot to me. I really love it when makeup has a story and gives you a certain feeling. Here are all the shades, 14 colors, and yeah, I really like this. It's great to use for every day. I still haven't reviewed this on my channel yet, so I'm gonna do that very soon. I've just been really busy. This is really heavy and there's a lot of things inside. I'm really excited to show you guys. So we're going to start first with the free samples and then the freebies that it came with. So the first one here is the sample of the Sephora Ultra Glow Serum. So it came in this like container there. So I like that Sephora gives you like samples of products from different brands. Some of these are like enough for 2 uses or 3 uses, so I like that. Then the next one is the sample of the Natasha Denona Brightening and Hydrating Crease-Proof Serum Concealer. That's something that I need, I think. It has like a shade finder and you have like different shades here. You have like light colors here and then the warmer tones here, and then of course you have this darker shade. I can definitely use this as a contour or bronzer, but yeah. So here is the shade finder. Isn't that one of the most innovative things a makeup brand can do? It's so nice to give customers more details and more explanation and instructions. I love that. And all of the shades are here. Like, that is genius. They're really reaching out to you and helping you out find your shade with all of these instructions and things to... Okay, I think I'm this shade. Yellow. Yellow.
When you check match
Yeah.
yellow.
Oh, yellow name. Here, you will see your perfect match. So I'm either... I don't think I'm one of the lightest shades here. Yeah, I'm definitely yellow. Y7. I'm definitely yellow Y7. Yeah, there. I love this. I think all makeup brands should do this. I am excited for this one. This is the sample of the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer. And this one is available in 48 shades. So here you can try that. There's really not a lot of product in here. I've tried a sample that came in a packaging like this. But it's really enough to try for your under eyes. You know, like it's enough for, I think, one use. Yeah. And it's a liquid touch corrector, liquid touch brightening concealer. I'm really proud of Selena Gomez also for coming out with 48 shades of concealer. Her brand is really inclusive, which I really appreciate, but they also support mental health awareness. So that is really a plus. I can't wait to try this. I think I'm the shade 250 for my skin tone, and then 180 to brighten up my under eye and anywhere else I want to highlight. So next we have here the Biossance Squalane plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Ooh, it's a pump bottle like this. Try a little bit. Squalane Dark Spot Serum. I have a dark spot here, and I have been always on the hunt for any product that will like lighten that spot there. That smells good, and it feels really lightweight, this one. So am I just supposed to put this on one spot or like all over my face? It smells good, very mild. So next one we have here, this one. This is a serum. This one is the Glow Recipe Watermellon Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is actually a cute small sample size. This one has 5 ml, and I used this last night before sleeping, and this one feels heavy on my skin. But when you blend it out, it really makes your skin glow, which is great. It's gonna make your skin glow, but this is slightly more heavy than what I'm used to. So initially it looks like it's a lightweight serum, but once you blend it, it feels a little heavy. And then I think eventually your skin will absorb it and it's going to be less heavy on your skin. So next one we have this. This one is a lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's called the Crystal Lip Gloss here. So this is the lip gloss. It's just clear, and this is in the shade Glass. This one is very moisturizing. This is a thicker gloss, but it's not sticky, it's not uncomfortable, and it's gonna give you that really reflective shine. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys now how it looks. I don't want to apply this directly on my lips, especially when I have lip product on already. What I do is apply this on the back of my hand. My hands are clean. So that's how I like to apply this. If I use the brush on my lips, it's going to like stain the brush, and I don't want that. I just take some of that and then apply it on my lips. Wow. Do you guys see that? That's what I mean. It looks very plump, and I think one of the things that I noticed about this product is that it really hides the creases on your lips. If you notice my lips before applying this, it looks really dry, but immediately after applying this product, my lips looks instantly moisturized. You can't really see the cracks on my lips anymore. And yeah, look at that. Look at the shine. Before I tried this lip gloss, I was thinking, there's really no need to spend a lot of money for a lip gloss because all lip glosses are the same. All lip glosses will give your lips shine. But that's really not the case when I tried this one, because this one really fills in the dry patches on my lips. It makes my lips look so healthy even though it's really dry right now. Highly recommend this. And I can't wait to try the other shade. So we have 2 more products here, and these 2 are the most exciting. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys first this one. So this is the palette that I used to create this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. So this is the Sephora Gradient Colors palette. This one has 23 colors in it. I absolutely love this palette. It's a perfect everyday palette. It has all the colors you need for a neutral look. And this one comes with a massive mirror here. It's a very clear. It has the Sephora logo here. And also, look at all of the colors. I also like the different textures in the pan. And also, it has like mini palettes inside one big palette. So you have this, and then you have this. Alright, so last but definitely not the least, we have the ABH Norvina collection. And it says here, this is for the face and body. This is, I think they have different palettes from the Norvina collection, and this one is a volume 5. This is how the palette looks like. If you're a fan of purple makeup, You're gonna love this. So here is how this palette looks like. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at how saturated the colors look, and look how fun all those shimmers are. If you have been on my channel, you know how much I am obsessed with shimmery shades. There's this one here that looks matte, but at the same time it has these pink reflective shimmers there. This purple looks so intense, so I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful that shade is. See? Here, I think I'm gonna go for this one, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Norvina feel to this look. Use this purple on the top here. Yeah, it's very, very pigmented. And just like with a lot of ABH products. I don't know if you guys can see because I already have eyeshadow on. I can't wait to review this palette on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more makeup looks. I love everything that I got. That's it. I love watching makeup hauls, and I also really, really love filming beauty hauls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as well. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!